โคเบเซนกี้อันดับที่4มาร์คมาเกสออกสตาร์ทในแถว2ตรงกลางครับคือสตาร์ทที่5ครับต่อเนื่องมาด้วยโอ้ความเร็วกว่าระหวครับอันดับที่6ของการคุริฟายออกสตาร์ทแถว2ครับปิดฝั่งขวามือนะครับแล้วก็อันดับที่7เป็นไดโรคอสตาครับดิจานันโกโรอันดับที่8อลิสมันเดสก้าท็อปการบอมบิยาเลสอันดับที่10ครับ
Firstly, are you okay? After the crash, you got away with one there, despite that, to still be on the front row alongside your neighbour.
Yeah, I'm okay with first row as a target. Today was difficult. It's really hot, really humid, so it was difficult to be better than yesterday. But in the second stint, I was pushing a bit too much. I was coming really hot, just going for that 28. So finally, first row is enough. First, I see Becker very strong. So let's go for it. Thank you.
I know what a brilliant lap that is to put yourself second and in between the two men, first and second in the World Championship. Just how happy are you with that performance?
Yeah, I'm happy about my performance today, and yesterday also in the time attack it was fast, but today a bit more, and I'm happy. Nothing about my pace for today. I have to improve a bit because the rest of the Ducati rider has something more, and I know in which area we have to do something better. But I'm confident to do another race.
Great, well done.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Pecco, a record-breaking lap, and what a time to produce it as well. Ahead of the biggest weekend of the year so far. Just how pleased are you with that?
I think we did a very good job with the bike, and this morning we did another step in front more, and I was confident to being able to be in the front row. We managed to do very good last time. I think we are still trying to break it in the four, but we got to close on the guys.
Congratulations.
Thank you.